Hello, welcome to Anodized Components. Today I am servicing a set of customer pedals. These are Crankbrothers 3s, stainless bodies, just typical Crankbrothers. It has a one-tie spindle in it. I think the bearings went and tore one up. So gotta match them up a little bit. Gonna put in new bearings and seals, so we're gonna start by disassembling these. Pull the end caps. Break the thread loose. Also has this really chowdery set of washers. We'll replace those. Gotta take the knock the bearings out. Ready grease. Gonna knock the bearings out. Gotta replace these two. Gotta replace the nuts. Bearings. One. Two. Really dirty grease. That's why I need a service. We're going to throw them in the parts washer and come back. So here we have our Anodized Components rebuild kit. It's going to have blue shielded ball bearings for the end of the pedal, outside facing. We have these Japanese made, hard to see there, Japanese made needle or roller bearings. For the high load side of the spindle, inside towards the bottom bracket. Nylon lock nuts. And a improved knock shaft seal. A single wiper seal that works better than the normal Crankbrothers sealing system, because first of all it's pressed in and it has a really nice wiper on it. These have been tested for it. So these rebuild kits are available on our eBay. And they don't ride out of the outside of the spindle. So you don't have, when you have a pedal body like this one's missing a ring. Your normal Crankbrothers seal resides on the outside like this. Plus there's one on the inside. The outside shield will usually start to kind of slide out every time you unclip, depending on what shoe you have. So by pressing these into the pedal body down here, we eliminate that. Time for assembly. So I'm going to take our bearing. I'm going to press that in. Use a rag and a vise. Press it in. That. Take a similar diameter tool. Put it on there. Make sure it's all flat lined up. Feel for when it bottoms. Like that. You have your new bearing installed. Make sure it's pressed in cleanly, like that. Do it to our second one really quick. Bigger drive tool. Make sure they're set at the same depth. See where it lines up there. They're the same. Take our seals. Take your seals like that. Drive them in. Take your tool. You should seated. Make sure it's tight on the tool. This is what they look like. Wipers facing out. Take our grease. Fresh jar. Roll it. Advertised spindles here. These are in purple. Well, you know, hard to see depending on the light, but these are purple. Really nice. These are On-Edge Components tie spindles, anodized in-house. Take one. Put through. Bearing. That. Nut. Gonna set it to our factory torque spec here. It's good. Take an end cap with a Loctite on it. Take a 6mm. Do that. Nice. Let the grease distribute a little bit. Pretty low drag. Don't cord spin freely right now, but needs a grease distributor around it. It's got a brand new seal. End cap, it's all tight. Zero play in this. That one, if you actually listen to it, that's a seal wiping. It's cleaning itself up for a little bit. It's got a little bit of a wiper rubber sound to it. Rubber squeak. Second spindle. New bearing. End cap. Purple tie spindles. Clean. Ready to go back out on the trail. We might replace this little ring here. See about that. Thanks for watching.